Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study the Dawn newspaper for CSS. Reading Dawn is absolutely essential for your CSS preparation, as it offers unbiased opinions and in-depth analysis on a wide range of topics. It significantly enhances your current affairs knowledge, sharpens critical thinking, and builds a robust vocabulary, all vital for every section of the exam. Furthermore, it helps you develop well-reasoned opinions on national and international issues, providing quality material, including statistics and quotes, for your essays and subject papers. To read Dawn effectively, allocate approximately 70 to 80 minutes daily. Focus primarily on editorials, opinion pieces, and significant national and international news, as these are most relevant. It's crucial to filter out irrelevant news, such as political mudslinging or minor local events, to save precious time. Remember to read slowly and actively, connecting the information to your CSS syllabus topics to maximize comprehension and retention. When extracting material, identify and note down key points, arguments, and analytical perspectives from articles. Record important facts, figures, statistics, and relevant quotes, as these are invaluable for your answers. Organize your notes topic-wise for subjects like current affairs, Pakistan affairs, and essay. Additionally, practice pracis writing from editorials daily. This activity significantly improves your written expression and overall language skills. Finally, integrate your newspaper notes seamlessly into your overall CSS preparation for all relevant subjects. Regular revision of your compiled notes is crucial to reinforce memory and deepen understanding. Utilize the gathered information to formulate well-structured arguments for your essays and to confidently articulate your views during interviews. Consistency with daily reading is paramount, as it builds a comprehensive understanding of contemporary issues over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.